So, time for the destructive mod. Let's take this back apart. $91 grams stock. Well, 91 grams without chopping out some of the stuff. We're going to go for the stock look. And the other light speed, we might take the rubber off, I think. Now, what I'm going to do is leave all this on this PCB because we want to see where things stick. Then we're going to try and keep the RGB on this one. Like I said, this is the RGB version because we'll use the other we'll use the other 502x light speed to get the same kind of equivalent, to get the lightest one out of it. So they might as well leave this as the RGB version. Cut off a bit here, I think. We can get some off that. The other idea I'm going to think about doing is I'm going to, because we keep looking stock, we'll keep this piece on here, but we'll trim out the back. I might do this bit first. Let's do that. Stock weight is 20 grams, is it? Looks a bit better. So the idea is to try and keep it looking still stock. Okay. So we get to keep the trim on it. You gotta. I've left a bit of support here because your palm might reach on it. You might push down here. You're gonna need a little bit of support. Better take out a little bit more here, I guess. Resin, man. Hate it. I think on super lights, there's not really much you can do. Let's check out this piece. We're not using that post, we're going to use that one, so keep that rear one. Yeah. So that's the rear base plate, and that one's the inner skeleton we're going to pin to, and then we pin into the two front pieces. So the two front posts and the two mounts for the front of the exoskeleton. I'll probably keep them. Still warm in here right now. I'm going to try and thin out some of this top part here. There's not much though. Maybe I can take a bit out of here, take a bit out of here. Actually, I can't do that, it's a screw point there. Maybe a bit here, and just a bit off the top. So, this is what it looks like now. So, onto the exoskeleton and the base. We might get this down to 80. I'm going to trim this with the actual parts on it so I can see them. So there's more in this than I thought it was going to be to take out. Alright, that's what the skeleton looks like now. Come to look bit of it. Yeah, as we thought, gram, not bad. Can take that mount point off actually. So we're going to mount it 2 front and 1 rear. What we can do though is that front diffuser or whatever it is, probably ping that out. What it weighs before we drill any holes in it. Right, let's get the drill out. We haven't got that much more to trim out of it because it's quite tight anyway. There we go. This looks pretty okay. Quite like it. We're going to be ready to put it together. You ready? That's what it looks like. Not bad. Come on, 80. Oh, mother trucker will waff off. 85. 22 grams off it. It's quite a bit.